Join me as I dive into 5 smart home business ideas that can help me hit that $5,000 a month goal. Earning a full-time income from the comfort of your own home sounds like a dream, right? But for many of us, it's a real goal we're striving for. And today, I want to share with you 5 smart home business ideas that can help you achieve just that, earning $5,000 a month. When it comes to starting a home business, one of the biggest challenges people face is not having enough money to get started. You might be thinking, I don't have the funds to invest in a business, or I don't have the right skills or experience. Others might be struggling to come up with business ideas in the first place. You might be thinking, I don't know what kind of business I can start from home, or I don't know if my business idea is going to be profitable. And then there are those who lack guidance. They might be thinking, I don't know where to start, or I don't have a mentor to show me the ropes. These are all common challenges that can hold people back from starting their own home business. But the good news is that with the right mindset and the right strategies, you can overcome these obstacles and start building a successful business from the comfort of your own home. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 smart home business ideas that can help you earn $5,000 a month. These ideas are all feasible, even if you're on a limited budget, and they all have the potential to generate a full-time income. Let's dive right into the first idea. Idea number 1 is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. The startup costs for this business are extremely low. In fact, you can start for free. And the potential earnings are huge. According to a study by Statista, affiliate marketing has become a $12 billion industry. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to have some basic computer skills and be willing to put in the time and effort to learn and promote products. Idea number 2 is selling print-on-demand products. With print-on-demand, you design and sell custom products such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. The startup costs for this business are around $100, and the potential earnings are significant. According to a study by Google Trends, the print-on-demand industry is growing rapidly, and it's expected to continue growing in the next few years. To get started with print-on-demand, you'll need to have some basic design skills and be willing to put in the time and effort to market and promote your products. Idea number 3 is creating and selling an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course to teach others. The startup costs for this business are around $1,000, and the potential earnings are huge. According to a study by Forbes, the online learning industry is expected to reach $325 billion by 2025. To get started with creating an online course, you'll need to have expertise in your area of teaching and be willing to put in the time and effort to create high-quality content. Idea number 4 is starting a freelance writing business. As a freelance writer, you'll write articles, blog posts, and other content for clients. The startup costs for this business are extremely low. In fact, you can start for free. And the potential earnings are significant. According to a study by Glassdoor, the average freelance writer earns around $40,000 per year. To get started with freelance writing, you'll need to have strong writing skills and be willing to put in the time and effort to market yourself and find clients. Idea number 5 is selling stock photos. If you have a good camera and an eye for photography, you can sell your photos on stock photo websites. The startup costs for this business are around $1,000, and the potential earnings are significant. According to a study by Statista, the stock photography industry is expected to reach $4.4 billion by 2025. To get started with selling stock photos, you'll need to have a good camera and some basic photography skills, and be willing to put in the time and effort to upload and market your photos. One of the most inspiring success stories I've come across is that of Rachel Hollis, who started her business as a freelance writer and eventually built a multi-million-dollar empire. Rachel started her business with very little money, but she was determined to succeed. She worked hard, put in the time and effort, and was willing to learn and adapt to changes in the market. Today, Rachel is a New York Times best-selling author, and her business is worth millions. She's a great example of what's possible when you're willing to put in the work and take calculated risks. To recap, the 5 smart home business ideas I shared with you today are affiliate marketing, selling print-on-demand products, creating and selling an online course, starting a freelance writing business, and selling stock photos. These ideas all have the potential to earn you $5,000 a month or more, and they're all feasible, even if you're on a limited budget. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these business ideas resonated with you the most? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship and making money online. See you in the next video.